There's never been an iPod that can do this. Or this. Or this. Or for that matter, this.
As technology has evolved this past half-century, great emphasis has been placed on portability of products and services. Essentially, the combination of technology and mobility, portability is valuable. It enables consumers to be more efficient and productive, and can save them both time and money. People have always wanted the ability to communicate with each other quickly, which was first accomplished through landline phones. But consumers wanted to be able to use a phone wherever and whenever they desired. Innovators recognized this need and its value in the dissemination of information, and cellular phones were created. They provided convenience, safety, and flexibility, transforming instantaneous communication and planning. Another popular item is the portable music player. Initially, people had to listen to recorded music on large, fairly immobile devices. Soon, people wanted music on the go, which was achieved through boomboxes. The CD and cassette player personalized the music experience and made it more portable, although choice was limited by the number of tapes or CDs you could carry. The MP3 player solved this problem, and Apple redefined this technology with the iPod. The camera similarly underwent the transition from a stationary item to a portable device. It was difficult and impractical to carry bulky tripod cameras, and users were limited to capturing predetermined poses. Smaller, portable cameras allowed users to take pictures at a moment's notice. The first computers were defined by raw computing power, their enormous size, and their inaccessibility. Personal computers connected to the internet and allowed users to send information to each other. Usage was limited to the home or office, but the modern laptop would solve these needs.
This then led to the second stage of portable device development. Innovators now turned to the problem of consolidating the many portable devices available to consumers, increasing the convenience for consumers who use these products often. Initially, the technological advances of the computer and the telephone were consolidated into a Palm Pilot device that succeeded in meeting customer demand for a small, handheld, easy-to-use, multifunctional gadget. This trend of consolidation was continued in the BlackBerry. The first BlackBerry model supported push email, mobile telephone, text messaging, calendars, and had a web browser, allowing users to perform several different and important tasks simultaneously and on the go. As cameras became smaller, they were integrated into phones, music players, and computers. As more of these devices began to share functions, it became clear that the phone was the most effective end target for consolidation because consumers had it with them more than any other device. As BlackBerry began to consolidate devices, the phone gained popularity and prominence in the professional community. This left the door open for a new problem that would introduce new value. How could the smartphone, with its many consolidated functions and capabilities, be made accessible to a wider consumer segment?
This is the third stage of portable device development, which brings us to the current state of portable devices. Smartphone developers, most notably Apple, framed the problem as one of designing an intuitive user interface and aesthetics that would make for an accessible and pleasing experience. Selecting this problem was important because it showed a deep understanding of what consumers were beginning to value, a seamless, all-encompassing experience. Apple masterfully solved this problem with the overall design of its phone. Its sleek body with a single button, its intuitive touchscreen scrolling, zooming, and navigation, along with its minimalistic operating system interface, made for a smartphone that had all the consolidated functions of the BlackBerry and the ease of use that made it accessible to a much wider group of consumers. Apple's iPhone has pioneered the development of portable devices and is regarded by many as today's standard.
The next potential frontier of value to be captured is the possibility of being able to leave your house with just your phone. No more keys, no more cards. Imagine the following. Instead of car keys, your car senses your phone and a start engine screen pops up. With a click of a button, you're ready to go. This need not just possess value for individual consumers, but it can also create value for businesses. Small businesses that find it a hassle to collect payments via credit card may find refuge in a future where payments are made when two smartphones touch. This would decrease operational costs, increase liquidity, lower the barriers to entry into small business, and revolutionize the payment space. These solutions are likely to materialize for the simple reason that innovative firms in highly competitive markets are constantly striving to meet consumers' desires, which are driven by the preference for convenience and simplicity.